bonfire. Let's go.
Yeah, yeah. Backyard full of friends, cooler stacked with ice. Cornhole going crazy, everybody feeling nice. Beer pong table popping, red cups in the air. Music bumping loud, we ain't got a single care. Grill smoking, laughter flowing, golden hour. It's the perfect summer night, ain't everybody knows. Sun going down, but the vibes stay high. One more game, one more round, we on the sky. Backyard party, beer pong and cornhole, drinking with the squad, losing track of control in the night with a bonfire, flames up in the sky, good times rolling, we never say goodbye. Backyard bonfire nights, this is how we do it right. Backyard bonfire nights. Someone brought the speaker, playlist hitting every vibe. We're singing every chorus, living our best life. Cornhole champions, beer pong legends too. Stories getting wilder as the night rolls through. Marshmallows roasting, stars shining overhead. This backyard party got us feeling blessed. Flames getting higher, laughter getting loud. Best night of the summer, we're owning this crowd. Backyard party, beer pong and cornhole, drinking with the squad, losing track of control. And the night with a bonfire, flames up in the sky, good times rolling, we never say goodbye. Backyard bonfire nights, this is how we do it right. Backyard bonfire nights. Yeah, slow it down by the fire. Friends, drinks, good times. This is living. Now bring it back. Backyard party, we going all night. Beer pong, cornhole, bonfire burning bright. It's the vibe we chase, it's the life we love. Backyard bonfire nights, sent from above. Backyard bonfire night. Bonfire night, yeah. With the squad, forever.